पेश होगा तूफाना के सामने, चल नहीं सकती किसी की कुछ कज़ा के सामने। एक न एक दिन पेश होगा तूफाना के सामने, चल नहीं सकती किसी की कुछ कज़ा के सामने। छोड़नी होगी तुझे दुनिया पानी एक दिन, छोड़नी होगी तुझे दुनिया पानी एक दिन। हर कोई मजबूर है हुक्म खुदा के सामने। हर कोई मजबूर है हुक्म खुदा के सामने। मुस्तकिल रहना है लाज़िम ऐ बशर तुझको सदा, रंज गम या सवालम फिक्र बला के सामने। रंज गम या सवालम फिक्र बला के सामने। बारगाह ज़दी से तू ना यूं मायूस हो, मुश्किलें
फलक से आई फिर आवाज है, जलसा मुबारक हो, जलसा मुबारक हो, बहारे मौका फिर आगाज है, जलसा मुबारक हो, जलसा मुबारक हो, ज़माना गोश बरआज़ है, जलसा मुबारक हो, जलसा मुबारक हो, फलक से आई फिर आवाज़ है, जलसा मुबारक हो, जलसा मुबारक हो, इमाम वक्त के दीदार की मेहमान आए, ये आँखों में छुपाए हिज्र के तूफान आए, ये सजदों में बसाए लज़्ज़त ईमान, ये सीनों में सजाए अज़मत ईमान आए, मेहरबान साज़ जलसा मुबारक हो। रूहानी तो हम सरशार भी होगी नमाज़ों और तहज्जुद से गुलो गुलजार भी होंगे ये जलसा वो के जिस पर नाज है जलसा मुबारक हो फलक से आए फिर आवाज है जलसा मुबारक हो
दारुल उमान
This is his father. This is his friend 17. Oh, mashallah. Mashallah. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا.
And it's always a pleasure to receive you in Jalsa. You come and you actually bring the blessings of Jalsa each year with all your team here. May Allah bless you for this. May Allah reward you generously for this. This brings a certain special feature to our Jalsa, mashallah. And we are very grateful for you and all of your team who come here each year. And we hope and pray that you will be able to now enjoy the rest of the Jalsa. Now that you've done all the hard work, now is the time to relax and enjoy. And inshallah you will be able to enjoy this beautiful Jalsa. Hazrat Amir al-Mu'mineen, Ayatollah al-Aziz, will be addressing us all over 3 days. And inshallah we will receive divine intervention through the blessings that we will receive of this Jalsa.
Inshallah.
Enjoy, and thank you very much for making this special effort of coming and giving this special feature to our Jalsa. Allah bless you all, and special prayers to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Will you please join me? Anisa, would you like to say?
Just I would like to say thank you very much for this emotional reception. Yeah? We had to struggle a lot on the way, but we were knowing that it is for some certain purpose. I mean, to move here to UK to the so-called international Jalsa Summit is something special. It reminds me to Rabba, it reminds me to Kalyan, and from all over people came to join this event and to be close to the Khalifa. We felt when we entered this country, UK, we felt that the Khalifa is close.
Kind and generous words. So let's join in silent prayer. Please pray for our beloved Khalifa. The main highlight of our Jalsa is the Khilafat that we have in this country. And it is through Allah's blessing that He has blessed us with this institution. And we should always pray that may Allah grant him and his family good health and long life, so that we continue to receive Allah's blessing through this great institution. Allah bless you all. Join me in silent prayer, please.
Dua ho rahi hai.